Alright guys, so me and Shane just doubled up on white perch. I wasn't gonna film a video, but the action's too hot and heavy.
It's too good, man.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
So,
Be free.
I'm gonna go ahead and throw you guys up in the old hat rig and let's get after it. Oh, he followed it. Did you guys see him? He wasn't real big, but he followed it. Horseshoes and hand grenades, I know, shut up. Oh no, it's staying in. Amen to that. Got him! Got him! Yeah. Like, dude, there's another one here. It was that same kind of deal. Yeah, where I had one that came up and hit it. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and... Not a bad one. Ooh, feisty. Oh, see? Now go eat Shane's. What's up? What gear? Oh, I'm using a Ultralight Bass Pro spinning rod, running 6-pound monofilament, small jig head with a 2-inch chartreuse swim bait. Dude, that was the craziest thing I'd ever seen in my life, because I watched my swim bait come right past this rock, and I can see one is like right behind it, and the other one is down a little bit below it, and I'm like, oh shit, he's running out of room. I'm like, if he's gonna hit it, he's got to do it now. And then he smoked it. Oh, sight fishing is so much fun. Yeah. Dude, the second it hit the water.
You're on again?
Yeah.
What? What am I doing wrong?
I don't know, but you better figure it out. This is a good one here, boy. Look at that. Dude, he inhaled it.
That's
That swim bait is gone. Look at the size of that.
That's pretty chunky. Heck yeah, bro.
Dude, that thing was down his gullet. That right there is not a bad sized perch. That's an eater size there. See ya, dude. Yeah, man, the second that little swim bait hit the water, he was all over it. Uh-oh. Alright, this is about to get real sketch. Got it. Yeah. Yeah.
I put on that little high-tech paddle on a Perch for the crappie jig head.
Alright. That ought to do you some good. Got one. This one's not nearly as big as the last one was. Still, respectable size. Oh, something just hit the surface right there. Later, dude. Ugh. Alright guys, so we're down here on the end of Hospital Point. Little change in gears. We've got the big rod here with a live spot just kind of hanging out there soaking. We've got the orange rod down here with night crawlers on it still, trying to keep some fresh baits rolling in. But I'm seeing a lot more surface activity. And I think either some big white perch or some small striped bass. Sorry, there's stuff going off and it's like out there. I may need to reposition that spot, but hopefully we can tie into something big. Let's get to it. Ooh, something chase the shit out of him. I think I'm just gonna